Good morning, students. For today's session is diabetes. So, what is diabetes? Diabetes describes a group of metabolic disease in which a person has high blood glucose, that is blood sugar, either because insulin production is inadequate or because the body cells do not respond properly insulin, or both reason could be. So, in this insulin production in pancreas according to blood glucose level. What happens if there is a problem with the production of insulin? So in this case, glucose in blood sugar is not able to go into the cells, and the cells can't meet energy needs. The energy is tried to be provided from fat to and protein. So in this, using fat as energy source result the increasing of ketone in the body. Okay, with the uses of protein as energy source, the patient feel themselves tired and sluggish. If blood glucose is too high, it is tried to be thrown away by kidney, so the patient begin to urinate so often. So as a result, the patient feels thirsty and start drinking a lot of water. On the other hand, despite eating so often and a lot, the patient lose weight also. So we'll discuss what are the types of diabetes. There are type 1 and type 2 are the most common form of diabetes. There are other that may hear about impaired glucose metabolism, pre-diabetes. So there are two types pre-diabetes conditions. Impaired glucose tolerance, IGT, is where blood glucose level are higher than normal, but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. And the second is impaired fasting glucose, IFG, is where blood glucose level are escalated in the fasting state but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. So, what is type 1 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults. Only, only 10% of people with diabetes have this form of disease. In this type 1 diabetes, the body does not produce insulin. And the patient with type 1 diabetes will need to take insulin injection for rest of their life. They must also ensure proper glucose level by carrying out regular blood tests and following a special diet. And what is type 2 diabetes? And if the body does not produce enough insulin for proper function, or the cells in the body do not react insulin. Okay, so approximately 90% of all cases of diabetes worldwide are of this type 2 diabetes. Some people may be able to control their type 2 diabetes symptoms by losing weight, following a healthy diet, doing plenty of exercise, and monitoring their blood glucose level. Then, however, type 2 diabetes is typically a progressive diabetes disease. It gradually gets worse, and the patient will probably end up have to take insulin, usually in tablet form. Then, overweight and obese people have a much higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to those with healthy body weight. And the risk of developing type 2 diabetes is also greater as we get older. In men whose testosterone level are low, have also been found to have higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, what are the causes of diabetes? So, diabetes causes vary depending on your genetic makeup, family history, ethnicity, health, and environmental factors. So there is no defined diabetes cause of diabetes vary depending of individual and the type. So the symptom of diabetes is always tired, and the symptoms are frequent urination and then sudden weight loss and a wound that won't heal. Next is sexual problems, and a person is always hungry. Then they have blurry vision, and they have numb or tightening hands or feet, and they are already always thirsty, and they have vaginal infection. So how are diabetes and pre-diabetes diagnosed? In this, blood tests are used to diagnose diabetes and pre-diabetes. So lab analysis of blood is needed to ensure test result are accurate or not. So glucose measuring device used in a health care provider's office, such as finger stick devices, are not accurate enough for diagnosis, but may be used as quick indicator of high blood glucose. So now we'll discuss how what are the diabetes treatments. So in this we have prevention treatment often involved that are physical exercise, being a normal body weight, and a healthy diet. Sorry. So what is diet plan? So in this, daily nutrition needs should be taken frequently but in small portions. So below are some diabetes myths. That people with diabetes should not exercise. No, that is not true. People have daily do exercise, and their exercise is important for people with diabetes as it is for everybody else. And diabetes patients should discuss exercise with their doctors before starting the exercise. So then next is children can outgrow diabetes. No, that is not true. Nearly all children with diabetes have type 1. Insulin producing beta cells in the pancreas have been destroyed and these never come back. Children with type 1 diabetes will need to take insulin for the rest of their lives unless a cure is found one day. Okay. So, what are the complications linked to the, in complications? They have eye complications, food complications, heart problems, hypertension, and then mental health, hearing loss, and then stroke. Okay. So next is we have what not to do if we have diabetes. We should not take exercise as a what are the diabetes are different other people. The diabetes diet doctors recommend healthy nutrition, healthy for everybody. Meals should contain plenty of vegetables, food, whole grains, and they should be low in salt and sugar and saturated trans fats. Okay, thank you, students. If you have any doubt, write your doubts in comment section. Thank you.